Hi guys, today I will tell you about the difference between Scikit learning and TensorFlow. What is Scikit learning and what is TensorFlow? Uh, where and why we use Scikit-learn and TensorFlow in basically. Scikit-learn is a free machine learning library for Python. It features various algorithms like support vector machine, random forest and k-neighbors, and it is also support Python numerical and scientific libraries like NumPy and SciPy. Scikit-learn, formerly Scikit-learn and also known as sklearn, is a free software machine learning library for the Python programming language. It features various classification, regression and clustering algorithms including support vector machines, random forest, gradient boosting, k-means and dbscan, and is designed to interoperate with the Python numerical and scientific libraries NumPy and SciPy. Overview. The Scikit-learn project starts as a Scikit-learn, a Google Summer of Code project by David Corompew. Its name stems from the notion that it is a Scikit SciPy toolkit, a separately developed and distributed third-party extension to SciPy. The original code base was later rewritten by other developers in 2010. Fabien Paradiso, Gal Vexon Alexandra, and Vassine Machil, all from the French Institute for Research in Computer Science and Automation of Rochentrecourt. France took leadership of the project and made the first public release on February the 1st, 2010. Of the various Scikit-learn as well as Scikit images were described as well, maintained a popular in November 2012. Scikit-learn is one of the most popular machine learning library on GitHub. Implementation. Scikit-learn is largely written in Python and uses NumPy extensively for high performance linear algebra and array operations. Furthermore, some core algorithms are written in Python to improve performance. Support vector machines are implemented by the Python wrapper around libsvm. Logistics regression and linear support vector machine by similar wrapper around librinear. In such cases, extending these methods with Python may not be possible. Scikit-learn integrates well with many other Python libraries such as matplotlib and plotly for plotting, NumPy for array vectorization, pandas, data frame, SciPy and many more. Now I will tell you about the TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a free and open source software library for machine learning. It can be used across a range of tasks but has a particular focus on training and interface of deep neural networks. TensorFlow is a symbolic math library based on data flow and differentiable programming. So I will tell you detail about the Scikit-learning and TensorFlow libraries in the next video practically. So thank you so much to listen and goodbye. Take care.